having a great day. I'm in the middle here doing my makeup and I thought I'm gonna use a brand new product. So today I'm gonna be reviewing the Revolution Contour and Glow palette. This palette is super simple. It has 2 contour colors and then 2 highlighters. Looks very natural on my skin. This is actually perfect for me. And then a lighter highlight. Oh my god. Okay, and a darker highlighter. Ooh. This just looks amazing. I am really impressed. On the hand so far, it looks amazing. Sometimes when watching with finger, it looks totally different than with the using brush. I'm gonna start with a darker color. It has loads of like baby hairs growing because I constantly have so many. Different. Flat face like a pancake. Contour. Taking a small lens brush, Lux Soft Definer 227 by Zoeva. Contouring my nose. So basically I'm adding a color on the side of my nose bridge, just a tiny bit on both sides, not too much product on the brush as well, and just blending the powder down. Taking the same darker shade of a contour and a tiny little brush to contour the nose. Before going with the highlight, I'm gonna add a little bit of a blush. Great, time for the highlighting. I feel like this color would match me better than the light one. Taking darker highlighting shade to contour my cheekbones with Real Techniques 403. Whoa, you guys, a little bit goes a lot. Look at that. Finished look, what do you guys think? I absolutely love it. So if your skin color is anything like mine, then this would work perfectly for you. Or even if your skin color is lighter, I'm not sure if it's gonna work for darker skin colors because I think it's a bit too lighter the shade. But these 2 lighter shades, if you are lighter than me, will definitely work for you. Yeah, definitely thumbs up from me. I'm loving this. I'll be using this. You're gonna see me using it in my videos for sure. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this super quick review and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. And I shall see you very soon. So thanks so much for watching and bye. Bye.